Hi, so I wanted to come back with you this week with some of my favorites that I've been using a lot this month. And so this is kind of my July favorites, just some things that I've been wearing pretty much day in and day out, or using every day, day in and day out. So I wanted to go ahead and show those to you and just kind of tell you what I love about them and where I got them. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get into this. Also, if you love lifestyle, fashion, DIYs for the home, or just skincare videos, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for my new videos when they come out, and don't forget to hit the notifications, and just so you can stay up to date with what's going on and I can share all the things that I love with you. Okay, so the first thing that I want to start with is skincare. So what I've recently just picked up, this is the Retinol by Rock. The Retinol Correction Max Daily Hydration Cream. This is so moisturizing. I use this as just both day and night. For day, I usually like to start by putting this on first and then following with my SPF. But I find it is so hydrating. It feels really good on the skin, and it almost acts like I don't know if it feels like it's helping to extra smooth my skin, but my skin just feels really smooth, really polished in a sense. It's not a polisher, but it just feels like it just takes off that extra dead layer of skin, or it's just really reaching down to the deeper levels of my skin on my face. And so I just go ahead and I just use about a nickel size pea to about a dime size just at night, and I try to smooth it all over and just kind of going all the way down my neck. But this has been awesome. I'm definitely going to repurchase this. I picked this up from Ulta Beauty, and I want to say this was about $24. I could be wrong. I will link everything down below with the correct links and how much everything costs. So that was a really nice find. And then for another skincare, as you can see, I am almost done and I need to get more. This does come in a smaller size if you don't want it to be so big, or if you need it to travel. This I picked up at, I think this was picked up at Macy's, but this can be found in smaller sizes, and also this size at Ulta Beauty as well. This is the Clinique No. 3 Clarifying Lotion Twice a Day Exfoliator, and that's exactly what I do. I use it twice a day, just on a cotton pad after I remove my makeup, and I always find, even after using my Clarisonic brush just to clean my face, I always find traces of something, or just dead skin, or just deep set oil from the day. So this is a really nice clarifying lotion. I highly recommend this, and I will link this down below as well. And this does come in different steps. So for sensitive skin, combination skin, oily skin, this one is the combination oily. So for me, my T-zone just gets super oily, where the rest of my face can get dry patches. And this has worked really well. So I highly recommend this. This has been a nice one. And then last, for the skincare that I have been, or not skincare, but makeup that I've been using, I did a review in my last video, so go ahead and check that out if you want it to be a little bit more detailed. But this is the Il Maquillage Foundation, and I have it in the color 240. But it's really nice. It goes on very smooth, and the color match is great. I have that on right now. It matches perfectly. There's never a seam or a line where I put the foundation and didn't blend it well enough. It just matches your skin very well. So the only thing that I would say with this is that and I'll do a close-up of that, but it does kind of twist off the top, but it doesn't, once you kind of turn it on, it keeps turning. It's like never really catching. And so I would be afraid to travel with this bottle. I would probably put it in a different container, or just something a little bit smaller that I know can have a tighter seal. But it is turned, but it just has that continuous turn. Like, it doesn't tighten and lock into place. So that's the only thing that worries me. But as for this foundation, I was using just different things before. You can check out my other videos on just other makeup things that, looks that I was doing and using different foundations. but I was able to try this, and yeah, it worked out really, really well. And I ended up getting this for free, so that was really nice because I kind of did like a consumer test survey type thing for my skin. And so with me doing and completing that survey, I was able to pick this out in a shade that works for me for free. So I was very excited about that, but I will definitely purchase this again once it's finished. So the only bad thing I can say about this is just the bottle and that it doesn't turn as well. But if you're looking for something for summertime or any time of year that's just more lightweight, it's a buildable foundation. It's really nice, it's very smooth. This has been a total favorite. On to some fashion pieces and accessories. I have been wearing these so much. These are the Tory Burch Gladiator sandals, and I'm hoping that I'm not messing up the name, but I will link these down below, or I will show just like a mod shot on the side and with the proper name. But these are so comfortable. I love them. They have like a snakeskin design, but I love the color. It's a dark, rich dark brown, but it just goes with everything, with jeans, with dresses. They're easy to pack, or if you have other shoes and you want to change into them. I recently took these down to Florida for my sister's wedding, and of course I had to wear some different high heels, but these went perfectly with my bridesmaid dress, so I was able to change into these afterwards and still feel dressed up and chic, but much more comfortable. So I am loving these and I'm constantly wearing them. Okay, so the other product that I do have, this has become my favorite hat. I'm in love with this thing. I ended up picking this up from H&M probably about 2 weeks ago, so they probably still have them there, but it is so chic. It goes with so many outfits, and I have been living in this. I absolutely love it. It's comfortable, it's breathable, and I just love that it just stays stiff around the brim. And I'm gonna have to find out how I can get my old hats back in shape. So if you have any tips, go ahead and leave your comments down below. And also if you tried any of these products, go ahead and leave your comments down below and tell me what you think, or how you styled them, or how you've worn them, or just any deals maybe that you found when purchasing them. But I absolutely just love this hat. It is so comfortable, and I wish they had more color, so I'm gonna be on the lookout for this for sure. If I can get like a denim blue color in this, and also even a red with the black trim, I think that would look amazing. But I am absolutely in love with this, and this was about $12.99, so it was a really good buy for something that I've just been living in so much this month. It's awesome. Okay, and last but not least is my MCM tote. I love this thing. I carry it with me everywhere. It is so comfortable. It doesn't weigh me down. It doesn't hurt my shoulders. And of course, as you can see, I can pack so much in here. Of course, it's not like the cleanest thing right now, and I definitely need to get an organizer for it. But I just absolutely love this, and I know right now this is a product that's always in Nordstrom. I was just there yesterday, and they have this in this color and in black, but I know it also comes in white and like a baby pink, which is really cute. I love it that it is actually reversible, so you can turn this inside out. I've never done that, only because it's more of a canvas fabric on the inside, and it would get a lot more stained and dirty, but I just love it. My husband actually picked this up when he was in Thailand on a business trip, and so, but I just absolutely love it. You can kind of cinch this and close it just a little bit. It is a lot more open, so if you prefer to have things that close, maybe this is not the one for you, but you can definitely get an organizer, and maybe even something that has like a zipper on top that you can have maybe custom made. The other thing that I love about this bag is that it comes with a tote, or not a tote, sorry, but it just comes with its own little pouch on the inside. and it's like you can just wear this separately. I went ahead and did a DIY bag necklace on mine, so if you'd like to see how I did this, go ahead and leave your comments down below and I can show you and just kind of do a walkthrough on how I made this. I did this for this bag and I did it for one of my Chanel boy bags. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, just go ahead and leave a message down below and then I'll go ahead and get on that. But this is really nice that you can just kind of pull this out. I pulled this out to use this as a clutch in the evening. It's super roomy that you can fit like a lot of things inside. Again, I have so much stuff in here too. I really do need to clean my bags, but this is really nice. And then the fun thing with this, and I'll do mod shots with this as well, is I was able to go online and I just found this chain. I think I purchased, just kind of looking up, bag chains on eBay, and I found this, and I'd like to get more of a chunkier one later, but I found this off of eBay, and you can get the size that you like, and I just clip this on the sides and turn this into a crossbody. So with purchasing this bag, I was able to kind of get 2 bags in one, which I absolutely love. More bang for your buck for sure. So I'll do mod shots with these, but I just absolutely love the fact that I got this pouch to go with it. This is kind of like the Louis Vuitton Never Full, and how it comes with that pouch inside that you can use as a clutch separately. But I just love that this is so big and that I can definitely fit so much more in this and use it as a crossbody, use it as a day bag, and just have it in here. Or you can just use this as it's a small organizer when you're using this bag, just to kind of zip up and keep safe, like your wallet, keys, phone, things like that. So I absolutely love this bag. So this has been all of my favorite things for this month and just pretty much all summer. I will definitely be compiling some new things that I purchased to do another favorites video for the month of August. I can't believe it's almost here. This year is going by so fast, but just thank you so much for tuning in. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those down below. Stay healthy and safe, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.